If you are within the market for a vacuum pump and gauge set, then you definitely realize that there are many alternatives to pick from. A vacuum pump and gauge set is a vital tool for anyone who works with refrigeration, air conditioning, or other HVAC systems. It enables the elimination of air and moisture from the device, which can help to save you damage and improve usual performance. After carrying out sizable studies, we've determined that the exceptional vacuum pump and gauge set in the marketplace is the Orion Motor Tech AC. This set is perfect for each expert and enthusiast, and it has a number of functions that make it stand out from the opposition. Pros: high-quality construction that is built to last. Powerful vacuum pump that can quickly and efficiently remove air and moisture. Easy to use and maintain. Offers precise and accurate readings. Affordable price point compared to other high-end models. Cons: may be louder than some other vacuum pump and gauge sets. Hoses and fittings may not fit all types of HVAC systems. Gauge faces may be difficult to read in low light conditions. Recommendation: overall, we highly recommend the Orion Motor Tech AC vacuum pump and gauge set. It gives nice value for the price and has a range of capabilities that make it a pinnacle select for both specialists and enthusiasts. Whilst there are a few minor drawbacks to this set, consisting of the potential for noise and compatibility troubles with a few systems, those are outweighed by using the various blessings that it affords. If you want a reliable and high-performing vacuum pump and gauge set, then the Orion Motor Tech AC is the way to go. Review Mate products reviews for any category. You can Amazon to join our community. Hit the subscribe button below, and if you notified, just click the bell icon. If you like this video, feel like helping us more. We launch paid campaigns. We can continue to create free review videos for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description below.